do you have to say on it?
I see no reason why beef should not be available for the minority community. Because I think the beef trade is in the hands of the minority community itself. So why should they not make beef available?
No, but today they have shut down all the shops.
No, they have shut down. So they should think that you see their substantial amount of their customers belong to the minority community. And therefore, I believe they should walk the extra mile and ensure that beef is available to whoever wants to buy.
Sir, why this harassment is taking place every now and then? They claim that they are being harassed.
I don't think they are being harassed. I think the issue is primarily whether to bring beef from outside the state or whether to patronize the Goa Meat Complex, which is supplying hygienic beef to the people. I'm told, I'm repeating, I'm told that there's a difference in price. And the main issue is the difference in price. It is the wish of the government to make available to our citizens, to our residents, hygienic beef. And that is why the government is requesting the beef vendors to patronize the Goa Meat Complex. Because the intention of the government is per se to provide hygienically slaughtered beef to the common man, whoever eats beef.
So, but some are allegedly taking their law into their hands, because instead of complaining to the appropriate authority, they are just going and
that is wrong.
creating
That is definitely wrong. And I believe for that reason the police have acted.